Hi, I'm Sudarsan Thyagarajan. I'm CEO at Veri Once. Idea for Veri Once actually started with another product that we were building for international student application processing. One of the biggest pain points that universities overseas face in recruiting Indian students, mostly, not only Indian students, other Asian students also, is the quality of the credentials that are submitted for them to evaluate. So looking at that problem, we wanted to solve it as a differentiator for the platform and embarked on a journey where we wanted to basically verify a qualification earned by someone in some other country. When we started that was the source of the inspiration for doing Veri Once. Once we thought about it, we decided that it's not only verification, it could be verification of degrees, it could be verification of work experience or reference letters, or it could be verification of any document for that matter. So that's how we got that big canvas out for Veri Once. We said that we can verify anything on the platform. It's verified once and it's verified forever. That's our logo. How do we make sure that happens? Then blockchain came into picture. We said we will put it in blockchain so that it becomes immutable. That way it's verified once and cannot be, don't have to be verified again. It can be used forever. Our platform ensures only one thing, that any data that is sitting out there on the platform at any point of time is accessible only to two people without any conditions. One is the person who owns the data. It's the person, is the individual whose certificate that's sitting out there or a document that's sitting out there. Second one is the issuer who issued it to him. Both of them have unlimited access 24/7 to that document. Anyone else who needs access to that should either have an implicit consent from the individual who owns it, or they can have an explicit consent. Recently, we had an experience. I cannot, for privacy reasons, we cannot name the parties involved. One of the educational agents that we work with, for whom we help verify documents for their overseas university applications, brought to us about a bunch of 40 applicants whose educational qualifications had to be verified. It was from a certain state in the northern part of India. And out of the 40 applications, 28 were found to be fraudulent. So we actually saved them a huge embarrassment with those universities. Our platform today can be used for any document across any country in the world. Our platform today can support various types of industries and purposes. Our platform can be used to issue credentials. Our platform can be used as a verification solution. Our platform can be used as a digital wallet by individuals. Our platform can be used as a skill wallet for students who are in the college. Our platform can be used as a wallet for any application that exists out there. So there are multiple use cases that we have invented for the platform, which basically makes the canvas much more wider than any other player who's working in the same space along with us. In the journey, we are slightly different from majority of the startups that you see. A lot of them start with a proto or a PPT or a screen design, go to the market, understand, feel the market, and keep evolving it as they go along, keep bouncing with customers a lot. We as an organization have a collective experience. There are other group organizations in our family, like basically vested interest in this area. So we have that collective knowledge with which we were able to build this product in one go and get it to a good MVP right up front in about 7 to 8 months time frame. Then we took it to the market and then started eliciting feedback from the market. Like any other product journey, I think we did about 60% right and about 40% we learned from the market and evolved it. So if I were to do it again, would I do it differently? Maybe. I would probably put it in front of the market a little earlier, even though we have a lot of experience, but that's just the learning. I think blockchain will play a significant role as we go forward in document verification. We are currently focusing on Indian market and we are piloting in US market. In US also we are piloting in few verticals, education with our evaluation solution. We are working in the healthcare space for background verification. In India, we are working on a variety of use cases. We are working with education institutions and we are working with other softwares who require wallet as a service. We are working with employers also for background verification. In terms of expansion as we move forward from here, we would want to expand into other geographies. Australia obviously is one of the places where we would want to go, maybe Europe as well. In US, we would want to expand our footprint to employment verification for other verticals. We would also want to start looking at digital badge and credential issue for US as a market and Australia as well. For blockchain-based startups, the most important thing is to start identifying the problem that you want to solve first, and then try to see if blockchain is the right solution to solve it. A lot of places people get carried away by taking a blockchain solution and trying to retrofit into various industries. We have seen that doesn't help as much because blockchain is not understood by a lot of people. So picking the right industry, right audience, and right problem to solve would be the right thing to do. T-Hub is a fantastic ecosystem to be part of. We come across startups like us. We come across stalwarts, people who have done multiple startups. We get to learn from everyone. I think it's a great community to be associated with. Of course, the infrastructure and other things are there, but the learning from the community is amazing.